thire wa mehia mutharabaini niho warihikiire riu ndi mukwihoki riu ndi mukureki ya rwimbo ruu ni ruthia uguo rugatukania andu aingi not only the chairman but ni wandama mobiles rwimbo ruu no ainire uguo ya ahithe ciugo yeah, but we forgive him. Yeah, because he stands by the side of the chairman, the bodyguard. Ocio ngioka uru Ngamini, tungithi hando crusade, ugane ko kunjongoira, itekere ikainga. Ogwethe. Yeah, only one kick down. Mwina Kororia TV. Riu Kororia ni kuorotwo uguo. Agethi muko mweri. Yeah, shaking like a leaf. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I can see you are beautiful this day. Na ndarigo ni igongona riri kuriuma kuo tondu nyina wa Sipora mwina nyina wa Njeri. You are wearing gauze. Black na ihua njwiri-ini. Smiling faces. Yeah, mwihore iruhi umuthi. Morris wearing a red trouser as if it is on Valentine. Kimemia nawe miwani. Nionio ni nyina wa Sipora. I have never seen it before. Narute ngofia hiyo ya kingeti. So ladies and gentlemen, the famous Ngamini called me on Tuesday. Akijira, hey, chairman, you know what? I respect you. I know you know how to transact. I know you know business. Tono ni demo thomure keide mwiri. Mutikanyonage oguo. Ni ndathire mangu. Hindi kwari uhiki. Na ngehena speech. Andu othe makirugama oguo. Makihurira ruhi. Yeah. Nie na mundu wetagwo Denzel Washington twikirathi kimwe kia motivational speaking. Yeah. Tire mwe kana merihititie kuingira ndege thie kuria UK. Not once, not twice. It is well known. Riu Ngamini nejete ngeciria ni a very nice deal we are coming to do. Akajite o gwake. Ndirakora gathuri kangethetie hau kena thuti njiru. Karajira, hello sir, shake my hand. Kagethio guo. Karajira, hey, I am here, I want to buy a motorbike. Ndira maka. Ndiriguo, ne Nduthi yawe iyo redio. Whose motorbike is that? Ngamini atonya ikombe. I have never seen that. I have never. Stop looking at me. Atonya ikombe asamoka na gatuthi gake. Oguo agatindikite ekirite helmet. I have never seen that. As if you are coming to meet your helmet. Tondu we ugathigwa shite, you will go to hell. Aroka be paki hau ka. Gastadi ri gasomokete oguo. Kauna kagigirwo kuguru gwaku oguo. Kiratono tothoka. Gitureke irima inene ringiganira mbia. Now the motorbike is there. Gathuri karia na thuti ya buraki kararuta thimu. Capturing the motorbike. Gagitumagira mwana wako atie murimu. Na tu murimu uriku Laikipia. Yeah? For over 10 minutes capturing, doing videos. Karolia ne bena sigana. Ngamini with the confidence, the audacity. No de amedia giri 45. Gathuri karamaka, kariga kenija. Karuga ni nyuma na giri nyanya. Giri nyanya Ngamini no turika. O ni murathimire oturika uyu. Amwe icio thiogore nguku. I've never seen it. Yeah? So tomani hau jana gatheka ndirakera nduthi utengerete nduthi utirite rimwe yana nunda ora ndirakera kana ngere matano ni kunyanangira matha ma ugaikaria hau akihura mbica And I told Ngamini to give me 1,000. I'm saying that because I'm not a thief. The chairman is always right. Yeah. Iyo kifi yako kwa manina kumithĩnja umiendie scrap metals. Yeah, nyina ciporo kogeithanie.